but this data is available in different fields. Okay, so now I added parameters. I specified what's the command name. Okay, and now I need to link this command with the connection. So command dot connection equal to the connection we just created above. So here is the connection. Okay, so we linked it. I'm deleting the command, opening the connection before. Now I can open the connection. Because you just need to open the connection only before executing the command. You don't need to open it before. So open the connection and execute the command. Okay, just execute non-query. If you want to execute stored procedures, you have to use non-query because it's not a direct query. Now, command is executed. Now you are going to close the connection. Okay, so create a connection object, initialize the connection object, and then create a command object and initialize the command object with command name and then parameters of it, and then execute the command. Open the connection, execute the command, close the connection. That's it. Now let's test it. Okay, so this is my loan application form. What I will do is I'll just fill in some details here. Okay, so we should have put an alert after it is submitted, but I think it's already done.
Okay.
So if we go back to our database and select what is the data in there, so you can see a new application is added into the system.
Yes.
Okay, so let me just add a comment here, add a line here. Message box dot show inserted application successfully. Okay, I'll just fill another one. So inserted application successfully.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll go back here. Another application added. So just to recap So we created a table, a new table, and added columns. And when we are creating the table, we specified what are the column names and data types. Okay, and once that is done, I created some records into it just to make sure I can insert data, and I'm using select statements to verify the data. And then once that is done, I am inserting data into it by using a stored procedure. So I created a stored procedure just for an insert statement, and once the stored procedure is created, I'm using .NET application to call this stored procedure and insert the data. So I just came back and created a Windows application just with a nice user interface, and upon a button is clicked, I'm creating a connection object, creating a command object, and then opening the connection, executing it, closing the connection. Okay. So what you can do is, instead of like the same concept, what you can do is you can take like a different thing, like take a library.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine you have a library and you have two tables, like a table where all information about books are stored in it. So like what are the books available in a library? What is the book name, author, and available quantity. So library means you'll have like same book, 10 copies of the same book. So you can maintain the number of copies available in a book.
Okay.
And then I want another table called library members. So library members will have member first name, last name, and then member ID. Okay, and since when he is a member. So this information. So I want two tables, books and members. So and I want like so you can insert data into these tables from back end, but I want like a simple front end where like somebody can come to the system and they can enter a book number and they'll be able to take it. So whenever somebody takes a book, reduce the available count, and at the same time they can return the book. If they return the book, increase the available count.
Okay.
Okay. So I need you to do that.
Yeah. Looks like a little bit complicated.
Yeah, that's how you'll be able to work, right?
Yeah.
Because like these are like very small samples. This is just beginning.
Okay.
Okay, so you start working on it. So you'll learn things as you go. That's the only way. If you start working on it, and then only you'll be able to learn the things. Otherwise, like you'll be keep listening to what I'm saying, and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so start working on it, and then you'll be able to like just try to figure out and come up with procedures. So you'll learn like creating multiple tables, procedures, calling from .NET program. The advantage is you'll be doing the same thing and again. It will give you more practice.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Any questions on today's thing?
No.
So hope you are writing at least like so you will be able to remember the things.
Yeah, I'm doing. I'm preparing some notes and all. I'm trying to do. Yeah.
All right then.